Whew. Okay, hi beautiful bunnies, welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for joining me on today's video. If you are here for the first time, listen baby girl, don't leave without subscribing. It's the 5th of August, it's Friday. We are on the long weekend. Woohoo! Yeah, but I've been on the long weekend. Yesterday I didn't have classes. I don't have classes on Friday. My classes got cancelled yesterday because of load shedding. I don't have classes today. I don't have classes on Monday. I don't have classes on Tuesday. The way I'm so excited, you saw I don't even have work to do, but darling, you know what? I have a lot of work to do. And I'm about to pack my bags and go on a holiday. Yeah, I'm gonna go pack my bags and go on a holiday, book myself a flight to whatever destination I want. Yeah, it's giving rich auntie.
I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Your lies, I'll do what I want.
Welcome to my YouTube channel.
Welcome to my YouTube channel.
Hey bunnies, welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, as you can see, we're at the Johannesburg Zoo today and we just came to spend the day here to have some fun, and we are currently on we're currently about to go on a ride to see animals. I don't know where this bus is taking us or this vehicle is taking us, but yeah, we're just going to have that experience. It's 10 rand per person, so that's pretty much affordable. Entrance is 115 per person, and then it's 65 rand for students during the week. So it's Saturday and we're just here to enjoy. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you like, comment and subscribe, and to invite your friends over to my channel. I'm so excited guys. By the way, I look so pretty, okay? We are going on a ride. Woohoo!
Winnie,
and then bought the rain.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Whoa, wakakola. Beautiful thing I've seen today is a tiger. is the what has which English? Ian show sasa ko kashima. Ian show sasa ko kashima na mul. Ian wa tiger. Junior ke? Ian.
No, no one.
I don't want. For me, it has to be a tiger sham. I haven't seen anything more beautiful.
That's what I don't get free.
Hi, I love you. I love you. Ah, Shakisana, look, I love you. Oh, that's so cute. I love you. Hi. I love you. Oh, that's so cute. Hello. Umba.
Look how close it is.
Aww. Sibula ku tingwenya ti kula ka environment ya warm. Phela ku-10 hey. Re se sa sweswi December. Napundu. Hey guys, checking in. We're having so much fun. At first, I thought my highlight for the day was me seeing a tiger. Like, I honestly thought that was the most beautiful thing. Tigers are so cute. Oh my gosh, it was my first time seeing one. And then I saw a parrot. And then I saw a parrot. And I said, I love you. And then they kissed. And when I left, it was like, hello, you want to rest for a while? And then I was like, when I left, it was like, hello. I was like, ah! Like a bird. He's talking to me. Did you hear the bird tell me I'm beautiful? Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. Like, even the bird could notice. And it was like, please, Harris. I remember it was even like, subscribe to her channel.
And also like and share.
Yes, it did say, it was like, hey, beautiful bunnies, please subscribe to her channel. So please do the right thing, guys. Even the animals are subscribed, but we're now just taking a break because, well, guys, we've been walking. Also, I feel like this place where we're sitting, it's so romantic. Like, I really do want to come with the love of my life here. This place is so romantic, guys. Like, you could just come here. It's so peaceful, it's so calm. You could just come here and walk with the love of your life. Anyways, we're facing grass, like brown grass. Let me show you. It makes me so happy. Yabona tenyoko. I'm so excited. Yeah, yabona ubumwina. it's the end of the day and we're going back home. We just finished. We had a lot of fun. It was so fun. It was amazing. My battery is low, so I've got to do what I guess got to do. Yeah, so we just requested and we're going back home. Yeah, I don't know how far this vlog is going to go because like I took like a lot of content there. I was capturing a lot of stuff. I don't know how far this vlog is because I've already started vlogging. And just like that, we have come to the end of the video. If you enjoyed today's video, let me know how much you enjoyed it on the comment section. I've got more cool stuff coming for you guys. So that's it for now. Love you.